So who is a friend? The definition of the friend according to scripture is that at the time of festivals, even without the invitation, when he comes. So this is a shlok from the Niti Shastra. When there is a festival in your house and without the invitation, he comes to your house and starts helping you in the celebrations. Just like Prabhuji spoke the katha that when Maharaji went to the mutt and he saw that there is no rice, there is no preparations for the festival. But then he himself started helping. So this is called friendly relationship, that he himself started helping in the preparations. So there is no need to say him to do any kind of service. He himself starts doing the service. That is called the friendly behavior. So nowadays, like many people who are having so many troubles in the lockdown, they are not getting food. Many people are helping them. There are many organizations who are helping these poor people, giving them rice, dal and other medicines and other day-to-day needs they are fulfilling. So who is the biggest friend? Dasham Bandhu. When one dies, at the time of his cremation, he goes. According to Indian culture, when someone dies, on his last ceremony, then those friends who are so dear, they always go on the last ceremonies. So this Brahma, he is doing the stuti, saying this shloka, Oho Bhagyam, that Paramanand Purna Brahma Sanatan Purush, that today he is having such a great friendly relationship with the Brajavasis. The Sanatana Goswami Pad in the Brihad Bhagavatamritam, he says that to attain the Lord there are so many solutions, but this having a relationship, a friendly relationship with the Lord is the best way to attain the Lord. From the house of Chobain in the Mathura, Sanatana Goswami brought Madan Mohan to Vrindavan. And what he was offering to to Madan Mohan, the bati, which was not even having the salt, and it's just like the flour is the duff is made and it is just cooked and offered without even the salt. So Madan Mohan said, it is very difficult to eat. At least you should give some salt in it. Sanatana Goswami said, today you are asking for salt and tomorrow you will be asking for kheer and sabji and so many things. So it is not possible for me to arrange so many things. If you want this, then it is fine. Otherwise, you go somewhere else. You go to your father's house in Nandagaon. So you can go to your father's house. Thakurji said, I cannot leave you. I want to stay here. So Sanatana Goswami said, if you want to stay here, then you have to eat without salt. Thakurji said that I will make my arrangements myself. Sanatana Goswami said, it's fine if you can make your arrangements. So then a big temple was constructed through that boatman, you know whole story. So Thakurji is a premi and Sanatana Goswami is having that love. So even out of love he is fighting with Sanatana Goswami, with Madan Mohan. What is the use of having fight with the materialistic people? So if one has to fight, he should fight with Krishna out of love.
जब हम जयपुर में जाते हैं ना,
When we go in the Jaipur,
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी जी ठाकुर जी विनोदी लाल जी के
to have the darshan of Vinodi Lal, the Loknath Goswami's Thakur. Loknath Goswami, when he used to stay in Khadirvan, he used to serve Thakurji so lovingly. In the 12 in the night, Thakurji got up and said, Loknath, I am feeling pain in my feet. Gopis have stolen my flute and they were playing flute and I had to dance. So my feet is having pain. So please massage my feet. So then Loknath Goswami massaged the feet and Thakurji slept. After 10 minutes, Thakurji again got up and said, it is so hot here. So do some fan. So in the night with a big leaf and he is offering the fan to Thakurji. Then after 15 minutes Thakurji again said, Loknath, Loknath, what happened now? I am feeling so hungry. So Loknath said, what do you want to eat? I want puri and sabji. So in the night, 1:30 in the night, he made puri and sabji and offered to Thakurji. Then Thakurji said that it's already 3 and in the 4 you will do Mangala Aarti. Now today you should do the Mangala Aarti 10 in the morning. So Thakurji is full of love and near a devotee he gives so much loving services to his devotee. And leaving the Duryodhan, where he went to the house of Vidur, to the wife of Vidur. So wife of the Vidur was a great devotee that the Govind has arrived to my house, what should I offer? And she saw that there are bananas in the house. So there are old bananas. And out of love, she was throwing the banana and was giving only the cover of the banana and the Thakurji was eating. And the Vidur came and Vidur said, what are you doing? And Thakurji stopped Vidur that she is offering me with so much love and I am enjoying even the cover of the banana. So if we have to fight, we should fight with Krishna. Because love should be there. Sanatana Goswami's whole life history is so beautiful. Mahaprabhu's all associates. When Mahaprabhu was doing Leela in the Navadvip Dham, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he sent his 2 leaders to Vrindavan, Bhugarbha Goswami and Loknath Goswami. Mahaprabhu also indicated that please keep one place for me also in Vrindavan. So Loknath and Bhugarbha Goswami, they came first in Vrindavan and they had darshan of the Vrindavan as per the order of Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu's order was to do 4 things. What are the 4 things to do? Lupta Tirtha Uddhar, Shri Vigraha Prakatan, Bhakti Grantha Prakash, Ragamarga Vyadi Marg Bhakti Prakash. And for specially Sanatana Goswami, there was one more instruction for Sanatana Goswami. Shuddha Vaishnav Shuddha Sadachar, to write the scriptures on the Vaishnav etiquettes. So the people doesn't know about the Vaishnav etiquette, so you should write some scripture on the Shuddha Vaishnav Sadachar. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he collected all those shlokas and Sanatana Goswami created that Hari Bhakti Vilas. So if we want to do bhajan, one has to follow Hari Bhakti Vilas, because there are so many rules and regulations defined in the Hari Bhakti Vilas for the bhajan, for the bhakti. Shruti Smriti Pancharatri Vidhim Bina Ekant ki Hari Bhakti Utpate eva kalpate. That without Shruti Smriti Narad Pancharatra, if we are not following the rules of these scriptures and we are doing the bhajan as per our own mind and saying that I am the Ragatmika person, so I can do myself the bhakti. I am not Raganuga, I am Ragatmika. So these people, they will not achieve anything. So they will become uncontrolled. Means they never follow any kind of rules. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he wrote many letters and his many lectures on this Chaturmasya Vrat. At that time, many people were not following this Chaturmasya Vrat. So that is why Param Gurudev said that keep my photograph of Chaturmasya, that he kept the beard for the 4 months. Many people, they cut their beard and they do not keep it for 4 months. So one has to follow the vidhi. So one has to follow these rules for serving the Bhagwan. So one should always follow the rules in the bhajan sadhan. The Sanatan Goswami Pad, so he established all the manobhishta of Mahaprabhu. He completed all the desires of Mahaprabhu. Are all 6 Goswamis, they fulfilled the desires of Mahaprabhu completely. Maybe for the service of Guru and Vaishnava, sometimes we sometimes do not follow the rules. It is fine, but it is just situational. It is not like permanent. We should never stop following these rules. There are 2 bhakti, Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. In the Vaidhi Bhakti, one has to follow the rules. Vidhi Marg, in the Vidhi Marg, sometimes we may not follow some rules, but our aim is always that we have to enter into the Raganuga Marg. Vishnu Chakravarti Pad, he told 5 rules of the Raganuga Bhakti. What are the 5 rules? Bhavmai Sadhan, Bhav Anukul, Bhav Pratikul, Bhav Viruddha and Bhav Aviruddha. So these are also shown by Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur. So one should never be an unruled or uncontrolled type of person. Just like Rupanug and Raganug, what is the relationship? In the Rupanug there is Raganug, but in the Raganug there is not Rupanug. महाराज इतनी फास्ट क्यों बोल रहे हैं? नियम आग्रह और नियम अग्रह. So Rup Goswami told this shloka Atyahara Prayasascha. So these are the rules defined by Rup Goswami. Atyahara Prayasascha Prajalpa Niyamagraha. One is Niyam Agraha and one is Niyam Agraha. One is only following the rules, but not considering the favorable things.
और नियम में अग्रह,
And niyam agraha,
नियम का ठीक से नहीं पालन करते।
the one is not following the rules properly.
ये समस्त विचार नहीं देखा है, इसलिए तुमको स्वयं पाप इसको तो दिखा है।
So Rupa Goswami has written this shlok in the Upadeshamrit. One should read Upadeshamrit
पांच बेगम से लेकर
carefully.
राधा कुंड तक पहुंचा देने सब।
Starting from the Vacho Vegam, he will take you to the Radha Kund.
इसलिए कहता है रूप और रघुनाथ की विचार को लेकर
So the thoughts of the Rupa and Raghunath one should always be followed. Rupa Raghunath Pade Rahumor Ash.
रूपानु का भजन करते थे, हमें ग्रहण करना है।
So one has to follow the Rupanuga Bhajan Paddhati. And also we have to stay in the Vidhi Marga. Sadhak Rupena and Siddha Rupena. In the Sadhak form, we have to follow the Vidhi, the rules. Sankhya Purvaka Nama Gana Natibhi Kalavasani Krito Nidrahar Vikaradi Vijito.
राधा कृष्ण गुणात्मति मधुरमानंदेन सर्वोहितो वंदे रूप सनातनो युगो श्रीजीव गोपालो। साई गोस्वामी वृंदावन में राधा की
The six Goswamis staying in Vrindavan, the way they were doing the bhajan.
एक साधक रूप में और
So this is a sadhak form, and in the Siddha Rupa,
इसमें भजन प्रणाली,
so this is called bhajan pranali, the process of bhajan.
भजन क्रिया,
Then comes Shraddha, Sadhu Sang, Bhajan Kriya, Anartha Nivritti,
भाव और प्रेम, एक क्रम हमने
Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem.
एक उदाहरण
So this is a sequence.
चुनाव की सुनी
And then Mahaprabhu's shlok Trinadapi Samichena,
कीर्तनीय
Kirtaniya Sadahari.
इसमें विचार को लेकर विचरना।
So one has to follow all these shlokas.
सिद्ध प्रणाली, भजन सिद्ध प्रणाली।
In the Babaji Sampradaya, they follow the Bhajan Siddha Pranali.
प्रणाली का रूप उसने बात में देखा है, महाप्रभु ने देखा है।
Bhajan Siddha Pranali was also shown by Mahaprabhu and Rup Goswami. So this is Trinadapi Suni Chen Tarorapi Sahishuna Amanina Manadin Kirtanya Sadahari. This is the Bhajan Siddha Pranali.
भगवत नाम कीर्तन है। कलियुग में और कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है भगवान।
There is no other process to attain Lord in this Kali Yuga. Harer Nam, Harer Nam, Harer Nam Eva Kevalam.
नाम तो करना, क्योंकि कैसे नाम करना है?
So one has to chant Harinam, but how to chant Harinam?
रूपे नाम दरिले प्रेम बजाय
Mahaprabhu has explained
स्वरूप राम का। महाप्रभु स्वरूप राय जब राम में कहने लगे,
to Savrup Rai
सब करते हैं।
Ramananda
कैसे नाम करना है?
that how to chant
त्रिनादपि सुनी
Trinadapi Sunichena Tarorapi Sahishuna Amanina Manadena Kirtanya Sadahari.
लेकिन मैंने कहा था ना, हमारे गुरुदेव श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज,
Our Gurudev Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
चार महावाक्य जो
the Shankaracharya's 4 Mahavakya, Aham Brahmasmi, Pragyanam Brahma, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma, Tattvamasi.
ये चार जो शंकराचार्य के जो महावाक्य
These 4 are the Mahavakya of Shankaracharya. My Gurudev
श्लोक के द्वारा ही प्रतिष्ठित करते हैं।
used to establish these 4 with the Trinadapi
थोड़ी है।
Suni Chena. This shlok doesn't belong to Shankaracharya. This shlok actually belongs to the Veda.
और मेरे गुरुदेव
And they have just taken a part of the Vedas.
चार शंकराचार्य के लिए शंकराचार्य
Our Gurudev, my Gurudev,
इत्नादि विश्वनिष्ठ तरुण विशेषण।
he used to speak on these 4 Mahavakya using this Trinadapi Suni Chain shloka.
तब जो है हम ब्रह्मास्म के तात्पर्य क्या
What is
है?
the meaning of Aham Brahmasmi?
इत्नादि विश्वनिष्ठ
Trinadapi Suni Chain.
दिखा है?
So he has shown with this shloka what is Aham Brahmasmi. So you should all read that article.
विद्वान लोग भी सब नहीं जानते।
Even the great philosophers doesn't know about it, but our Gurudev has shown it very beautifully
और अहम ब्रह्मास्मि
that Aham Brahmasmi in context with the Trinadapi Suni Chain.
इत्नादि विश्वनिष्ठ पर्यायवाचक शब्द।
That these are synonyms, Aham Brahmasmi and Trinadapi Suni Chain. Prayavachi.
समानार्थ वास्तव जीव जो कब अहम ब्रह्मास्मि,
that when the Jeev will become Aham Brahmasmi. What is the meaning of Aham Brahmasmi? The meaning is Trinadapi Sunichena.
इसके लिए हम
So when we will get time, we will discuss
बहुत सुंदर है
this topic.
क्या अरे छूटेगा नहीं, एक दिन में सब मर जाएगा। नाराज
So he says, please tell it today. Prabhuji says, Maharaji says that we have a lot of time and you want to learn everything today. And once you will remember everything, learn everything, then you will leave mud.
उत्कंठा तो करे,
So it is always good that one should always have the curiosity to know.
उत्कंठा तो करे। जैसे उस दिन कहा था ना, अच्छा द्रौपदी कौन है बताओ? हैं?
कौन है, क्या है?
ये छाया सीता कहाँ थी? उस दिन एक दिन की मैंने थोड़ा बहुत इंगित दिया कि नहीं दिया?
I spoke on that day about the Chaya Sita and the Draupadi. Where is Chaya Sita? Where did she go?
हैं? बहुत लोग जानते ही नहीं।
Many people doesn't know the story of Chaya Sita.
ये सीता देवी कौन है?
That who is Sita Devi and where is Chaya Sita?
ये छाया सीता जैसे द्रौपदी है।
This Chaya Sita is Draupadi according to Purana.
हैं? थोड़ा बता दो। छूट जाएगी इसके कथा की प्रसंग है सप्तयुग की प्रारंभ में
At the starting of the Satya Yoga,
एक वेदवती
there was a woman called Vedvati. After taking the birth from the womb, she was chanting the mantra of the Vedas. That is why her name was Vedvati.
अधिकार नहीं जो लोग कहते हैं उसको ये
Many people says that the women doesn't have the authority to speak Vedas.
है वेदा क्या
But this Vedvati, she was reciting the shlokas of Vedas from the birth.
वेद का मंत्र उच्चारण करने लगे समाज के लोग ना जाने स्त्रियों के ऊपर कहां लंछना लगा
So many people, they blame on the women that they cannot read Vedas.
क्या गायत्री नहीं मिलता पर काम गायत्री नहीं मिलता है
So many says that they do not get the Gayatri, they get the Kam Gayatri.
अरे गुरुदेव कहते थे भाई तुम्हें फल लेना है बीज लेना है कि फल लेना है बताओ
Gurudev used to say whether you want the seed or the fruit.
फल ही मिल रहा है
When you are getting the fruit, then why you want the seed? The first Brahma Gayatri is the seed and the Kam Gayatri is the fruit. So you are getting the fruit.
गाय पालो ये करो
So what is the use of having such a great trouble of having a Goshala, serving the cows, if you are getting the milk?
और रोज जो है 20 किलो करके दूध दे कर जाते उस समय तक गौशाला नहीं था आज तक गोवर्धन में गौशाला है
Now we have the Goshala in Govardhan and Durvasa. So there are cows there. So it is difficult to serve the cows.
इतना दूध दे जल्दी तो गाय रखने की क्या जरूरत है
But if we get the milk, a lot of milk without keeping the cow, then what is the use to keep cow?
दूध मिल जाए तो क्या जरूरत
Because
है
milk is the last product that what we want.
आप बताओ
So what is the use of keeping the cows if we get the milk directly?
अरे
Gurudev used to say that Brahma Gayatri,
फल की क्या
what is the result? What is the fruit of Brahma Gayatri? Kam Gayatri. So you have already got Kam Gayatri.
आदमी तो फिर क्या जरूरत है
So then what is the need of Brahma Gayatri? Though there are some rules in the scriptures that we have to follow,
देखो जहाँ जहाँ पर वेद शास्त्र आदि नियम दिया गया
wherever there are rules in the Veda Shastra that should be followed,
नियम क्या कर दिया जैसे अस्थि विष्ठा
like Asti Vishtha,
पवित्र माना जाता है
this is considered as pious. Asti Vishtha means the shank,
हड्डी
the conch shell is considered pure. So Asti Vishtha, the remnants of
क्या अस्थि विसर्जन होते हैं ना वो तो जानते हो आज वो बस्ती बोलते हैं वो जानते हैं
so Asti Vishtha
देखो
is considered as pious. So we cannot question that why it is pious.
विष्ठा ये अपवित्र होने पर ही देखो पवित्र है उसको में रहता है कौन सा अस्थि रहता है
So Asti Vishtha is the conch. The conch is the remnants of a jiva. an insect, but it is considered as pure. So shankh is the
और निष्ठा क्या है?
हड्डी क्या बोलते हैं? Bone. So shankh, the conch is a bone, but it is considered as pure.
महाप्रभु यही प्रमाण दे रहे हैं। क्योंकि शास्त्र वेदों में जो नियम दिया गया
Because it is a rule defined in the Vedas that the conch is considered as pure, so there is no question about it. We cannot ask question that why it is pure.
तो वो अपने धिक्तांग करने लगे। ब्राह्मण लोग जो है धिक्तांग करने लगे। हाय हाय हम लोग गायत्री मंत्र जप करने वाले हैं। और देखो हमारे पत्नियां जो है ये सब नहीं करके भगवान की प्राप्ति करती हैं।
Just like the Yagyapatnis, when they were able to attain Krishna, but the Brahmins were not able to. So then they were saying five on us, that even after reciting the Veda mantras, we were not able to attain the Lord, but our Yagyapatnis, our wives have been able to attain the Lord.
जबरदस्ती करके थोड़ी होता है। शास्त्र में उसमें अधिकार नहीं दिया। तुम जबरदस्ती क्यों करोगे?
But if it is written somewhere in the scriptures that there are some rules that women should not follow, then they should be followed.
वेदवती देखो, वेदवती के नाम हुए।
The Vedavati's name is why it is Vedavati, that when she took birth, she was speaking the mantra of the Vedas. That is why the name is Vedavati. And she very soon she became young, and then she left the house and went for the austerities. And for many years, 1,000 years, she was doing the tapasya for getting Vishnu. Then there was a sky voice, and that right now you cannot get Vishnu. So then she left that place and went to the Gandhamadhan mountain, and again she started doing tapasya. So Satyayug was gone, and now it is Treta Yuga. So she was doing tapasya. So she was having such a great Brahma Tej in her body. And in the Treta Yuga, the story of the Ravan came at that place, and he got attracted towards that Vedavati. She was doing tapasya, and he tried to kidnap Vedavati. Then the Vedavati cursed Ravan. It is actually a long story, but I am briefing it. So she cursed Ravan. There is a very beautiful story of this Vedavati. In the Brahma Vaivarta Puran, the story comes that when the Ravan looked at the Vedavati, the Vedavati's luster was such a great intensity that even the Ravan was so surprised to see her.
इसलिए उन्होंने देखी और छोड़ कर बोले तुम जैसे ऐसे दुष्कर्म की मैं ही जो है।
So then she cursed that I will become the reason of your death, that you try to kidnap me, touch me. So I will become the reason of your death very soon. So then she left that body and she entered. She came in as an ansh of Sita. Then you know the whole story of Ramachandra, that when they went on exile, after completion of 13 years, one day Ramchandra thought, for the reason I came to jungle to kill Ravan and other demons. So one day, then the Agni Devta, the fire god, came and said, so Ramji was thinking that where should I keep Sita to do my further pastimes? Then the Agni Dev came and said that, O Prabhu, that you give me the actual Sita, and you will keep this Chaya Sita. So the actual Sita, she went to Kailash through fire god near Sati Devi, and the Chaya Sita came near Lord Ram.
का हरण किया।
So Ravan kidnapped Chaya Sita, not the actual Sita.
फिर आगे जाकर के कथा तो सभी जानते हैं। रावण वध हुई।
So then the Ravan got killed, and
वापस लेने लक्ष्मण, देखो लक्ष्मण गुरु तत्व होते हुए पर भी
Lakshman, being a Guru Tattva, even he doesn't know about this fact of Sita. So we say that Gurudev, you know everything. When the Lakshman doesn't know everything, then how the Guru can know everything? Just like the Balaram is also Guru Tattva. For the 1 year, Baldev could not understand what is going on. So it is written in the Bhagavatam that even Balaram, being Guru Tattva, could not know everything. So Balaram thought that this is the Maya of Krishna which is affecting me. So here Lakshman also doesn't know about this concept of Chaya Sita. So when Ram ordered Lakshman to arrange fire to test Sita, Ramchandra said to Lakshman that I want to get the actual Sita because this is the fake Sita. So actual Sita is with Agni Devta. Then when Lakshman he arranged the fire, then the actual Sita came from the fire. So this is all written in Brahma Vaivarta Puran. So then the Chaya Sita said, where should I go? Because when I am here, so you should give me some service also. Then Bhagwan Ramchandra said that you should do one thing, that O Chaya Sita, Pushkar, that you go to a place called Pushkar and do tapasya there. So she was doing tapasya for thousands of years in Pushkar. And then she went to heaven and became Swarga Lakshmi. And after Swarga Lakshmi, she came back. Then she appeared in the form of Draupadi from the Yajna. Drupad. When Drupad, the king Drupad did the Yajna, and then Drishtadyumna and Draupadi appeared from that Yajna. So this is the Chaya Sita. So this is all written in the Brahma Vaivarta Puran. So Draupadi is not an ordinary woman. The one who gets interest in the Bhagavad Puran, he doesn't get the interest in reading other Puran. In the Bhagavatam it is said, Yasyam Vishwayamanayam, that this Bhagavatam is very dear to Vaishnavas. The one who gets interest in the Bhagavatam, he never gets interest in reading other Puran. But sometimes we have to read it to get the knowledge. In the Bhagavatam there are so many beautiful stories. From the Ras Leela and other many beautiful stories are present in the Bhagavatam. And what is going to happen if we hear this Purana Katha? You will all become old. Because there are so many beautiful stories in the Bhagavatam. So the one who doesn't have any interest in the sweet pastimes of the Bhagwan, who is that person? That person is like a, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Butcher. It's like a butcher, the one who kills the animals.
एक बार बोलते बोलते निवृत्त तरसै उपगीयमाना अभूषदा स्तोत्र मनोविराम कौत्तम श्लोक गुणानुभावात् पुमान विरजे श्रीनामसूत्रम। भगवान की कथा इतनी सुंदर।
Bhagwan's katha is so sweet
निवृत्त तरसै माने जो संसार की
that those who have understood the temporariness of this materialistic world and they have become renounced from this materialistic world, those who are about to enter into Brahma. So these Brahmavadis, if they hear these sweet pastimes of Krishna, then they will leave the Brahma Sukh and then they will always keep on hearing the sweet pastimes. Who is the proof? Shukdev Goswami. Parinishtato apin nirgunyam. Shukdev Goswami says that Maharaj Parikshit, that I was established in the Brahma. This is his humbleness, because he is the Shriya Shuka, Radhaji's Sukh. So he is not situated in Brahma, but still he is saying out of humbleness that I was established in Brahma. But when I heard such a great, beautiful, sweet pastimes of Krishna, then I left this Brahma Sukha. Nivritti Tarshay Upgayamanat. In this world, these three tap, Adhidevik, Adhi, Bhautik and Adhyatmik tap, all are burning out of these three type of fires. So who is there who doesn't want to hear these sweet pastimes of Bhagwan? Parikshit Maharaj said, Shukdev Goswami said, that I have spoken so many stories of so many kings, the Gyan and Vairagya of the greatest kings. I have told you so many stories of great kings, but I am not speaking this katha for you. There are so many people who have arrived here to hear katha.
दान दक्षिणा दे दिया, बहुत अच्छा है। कहाँ पर बाढ़ हो चल रहे हैं, कहाँ पर लोग खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, खाना दे। हमारे चेन्नई नहीं कर, कर्मी के लोग करते हैं, करते हैं। आइए कल कथा सुने, बोले रामकृष्ण मिशन बोले तुम क्या करते हो? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग तुम करते हो, तुम लोग क्या करते हो?
Ramakrishna Mission, if they ask us that what you do, that the story I told yesterday, if there are some donors, they donate so many things. Is there any story about a donor, great donor in the Bhagavatam? The king Harishchandra, he was a great donor. Dani bhi tha, na? And the Shibi Maharaj, he was also a great donor. The Shibi Maharaj, he gave his whole body in donation. Once the Indra and Yam Maharaj, they came in the form of an eagle and a pigeon to test Shibi Maharaj. पढ़ लेना ना जाके। The pigeon was flying and the eagle was following, and then that pigeon came to the lap of Shibi Maharaj, please protect me from this eagle. Then eagle said that I am hungry, give me food.
बोले ठीक
Then
है,
Shivi Maharaj said
हमारे जितने भी भोजन है आप कर लीजिए।
that whatever food is available for me, you can eat.
बोले नहीं, मुझे क्या चाहिए?
But the eagle said, no, I want this pigeon only.
यही मुझे। और कबूतर बोले महाराज,
And the pigeon said that you always protect the one who comes into your shelter, so please protect me from this eagle. Now the Shibi was thinking, what should I do?
अंत में बोले ठीक है,
Then he said
एक काम करिए महाराज, अपने शरीर के जो है अंग जो है इसके कबूतर के
that equal to the weight of that pigeon,
रखा जाए और ये
you give
तल्ला में
the flesh of your body.
अरे इसमें क्या कबूतर तो इतने थे 50 ग्राम के लिए, तो एक उंगली की काट से पता नहीं, काटते काटते शरीर को जो है पूरा
So then Shivi Maharaj, he cut his one finger to equal to the weight of that pigeon. But that pigeon was so heavy that even he has to cut his whole body. Then he himself sit on the one side of the balance to donate himself to save that pigeon.
शिवी महाराज ने कहा कि बोले जाओ मुझे पूरा ही तुम खा लो।
So Shivi Maharaj said that oh eagle, you can eat me completely.
समय कबूतर और
So then that pigeon and that eagle, they came in their original form.
आप जैसे दानी धन्यवीर
They were like the Dharamraj, and he said that there is no one who is the greatest donor in comparison to you in this world.
के कथा तो लंबी कथा है,
And you also have heard the story of Harish Chandra.
लंबी सीरीज लायक नहीं।
There is also a very big serial on Harish Chandra you might have seen on TV.
ऐसा भारत में वर्णन है।
So these all stories are from Bhagavatam.
में वर्णन कर दिया। किसने सब इसने कहा है मंत्र राजा में ये राजा में बड़े-बड़े राजाओं की कथा किसने सुनी?
So Shukdev Goswami said, I have been speaking so many great kings' stories
धीरे-धीरे ज्ञान वैराग्य धीरे-धीरे
that these kings, they were into Gyan and Vairagya, but slowly they entered.
ये तो वास्तव क्या
So
है?
leaving the Gyan and Vairagya, they entered into the Bhakti. That one should have the interest in the stories of Krishna.
इसलिए बड़े-बड़े जो पांडव होते हैं भागवत कथा थोड़ी बोलते हैं।
It is very difficult to have interest in the actual Bhagavatam because even the great speakers of the Bhagavatam, they do not have any interest in the Bhagavatam. They just speak a few shlokas that are of their own interest, and they just choose one shloka and just keep on speaking here and there all the materialistic things in the name of the Bhagavatam.
लोग इतने सुंदर बोलते हैं देखा? जो अच्छा बोलना चाहिए।
But there are good speakers also, like Krishna Chandra Shastri. He speaks very nice katha, and look at his recitation of the Gopi Geet. His pronunciation is so beautiful. So the one who is good, but there are many speakers who are only speaking for their self motives. So there are many good speakers also. They speak very nice katha.
भागवत की कथा कितनी सुंदर है।
So Bhagavad's katha is so beautiful.
जैसे राज पंचाध्याय आदि कथा आपके ना मन
Just like the Raj Panchadhyay is so beautiful katha.
गोपी गीत ब्रह्म गीत
Gopi Geet, Brahma Geet, Yugal Geet. Bhagavad has so many songs.
पांच गीत है पांच गीत तो प्रसिद्ध है।
There are 5 songs which are famous, but there are many songs.
महिषी गीत है, महिषी गीत भी सुंदर।
There is Mahishi Geet. Mahishi Geet is also very beautiful, and Gurudev also once spoke on the Mahishi Geet, the songs of the Mahishis.
आप पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़े? पढ़ो। क्योंकि उसमें 10 प्रकार की है। राधा जी के जिस प्रकार जल पर जल
Just like Radha ji has the Jalpa, Prajalpa, these kind of feelings were shown in the Mahishis, in that Mahishi Geet. When the Krishna goes to Hastinapur from Dwarika, then the Mahishis, they feel the separation from Krishna. So that Vipralambha Bhav is shown in that Mahishi Geet. So we have heard Mahishi Geet. It was the part on this Mahishi Geet. Everyone does the part on the Gopi Geet. Mahishi Geet is also very beautiful. We always want to hear superior, not the one which is little lower.
अच्छा है नहीं मैं मना नहीं करता, किंतु महिषी गीत भी कम नहीं है, बहुत सुंदर।
So I'm not saying that one should not read the Gopi Geet. Gopi Geet is the topmost, but the Mahishi Geet is also good.
इसलिए कर रहे हैं ये राजन, मैंने ये समझता जो बड़े-बड़े
So
राजाओं
Shukdev Goswami is saying that that is why I spoke all these katha of these kings, that they entered into the bhakti,
मैं श्रद्धा से करता हूं।
that everyone should have this interest in the pastimes of Krishna, the Amrit Katha.
जिसके दसम स्कंद श्रीमद् भागवत में रुचि हो जाता है, और
The one who gets the interest in the Dasham Skandha, that person is great.
इतना सुंदर दसम स्कंद के पढ़ते रहो।
Dasham Skand is so sweet that the mind is always to read it again and again.
दर्शन में चले जाते हैं। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल